welcome back to my video. If you're new, my name is Nikki, and today we will be trying snacks around the world. So yes, I'm gonna show you who's something. So this side is the good side, and this side is the bad side. We're gonna put them there. But first we need Nikki, not me, the other Nikki, to give me my snacks. So over here, the big one. And where's my other snack? What is this? Ate them. My snacks! Now I'm stuck with this junk. What am I supposed to do with this? I'm hungry and I really had nothing to eat, and well, I just kind of ate them. But don't worry. The other snacks are they're from around the world still. There's like the same thing, huh? So okay, now get out. Because you're gonna wreck something. Well, maybe Nikki had some other plans. Now let's see what she got for us. Bag, I found these. And yeah, I took it out, I just paused it. Because I didn't want you guys to see what's in the bag. So first we got these gummy bears. Okay, they're just gummy bears. Just any gummy bears. They're from Winnipeg. And it also says it on the back. But I can do it. Now just leave. And wait a second. Does it say on the back what items from there? Please, okay, now we're gonna be trying some gummy bears from Winnipeg. Let's just open this up. It has one of these. Ooh, I like this. And now let's open it. Oh, there we go. So I opened it, and they do not smell like gummy bears, like normal gummy bears. And do you see the size, how massive this thing is? Okay, let's try. I'm gonna take this one because I do not like the other. I don't think I would like the other flavors, so let's take this one. This tastes pretty good. I would rate this like a 9 out of 10. It actually tastes really good. We're gonna put that right here in the good side. There we go. Okay, next snack. We got these thingies. Ooh, these are cool. Have this handle. It makes sound. Okay, let's try it out. There's some candy in here, and it says it's from England. Oh my god, it's not opening. How do you open this popping candy? Oh my god, it's not coming. Oops. Okay, this is pretty good. I actually kind of like it. Not gonna lie. The grape flavor I like. I think the other one is orange flavor. I love this. Okay, put it on this side, the good side. And now I'm gonna try what looks like orange. Let's try it. Let me just take this out of a second. And then now let's try it. No, this is not orange. This is peach. Oh wow, this is good. I think I'm gonna take this out because I don't want it to spill, but these are good. I'm gonna put it on this side. I'm definitely going to be keeping these because these are just so cool. And this one has a plane, a boat, and one of these thingies. I forgot their names. Ooh, this is cool. Next thing. Got something, dry fruit? Oh, it's those dry fruit thingies that I love. Okay, let's, is that a watermelon? Because that does not look like watermelon. That is similar, but that does not look like watermelon. Okay, yeah, that is definitely not watermelon because it says something different. And where is this from? Thailand. Okay, I do not really go to Thailand. I never actually went there ever in my life. But like, let's go. Nikki got these with our joint debit card account. I'm gonna open this. I can't open it. 8,000 years. I finally got this to open. Oh my god. Ow, 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 ow. Just scratched myself. Let's just go over this. There we go. Don't worry, I'm gonna pick it up later. Oh my god. There's more packages I'm gonna have to open. I accidentally did that. I didn't want to waste my time, so I'm gonna just put that right here. Gonna put this right. These are thick pieces of dry fruit, bro. Let's eat it. Oh my god, that looks so good, but at the same time, it looks so bad. Or am I like a goat? Bruh. Okay, this, I don't even want to take another bite of it. I'm gonna stay at the back side. It is horrible. It's super sweet. Oh, I almost fell. It's super sweet. Next thing. This snack from Italy. It says on the back. Italy. Let's see what you got today. I really don't know how to open this. I'm gonna just open it like this. Oh, it's chocolate. It's chocolate. Oh my god, this is so cute. Let's try it. Mmm. 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 That was great. Oh my god. That was great. Wait, there's nothing in the bag. Wait, there's nothing in the bag. I feel something. Wait, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. What are these? Ooh. They smell like ketchup. These are almonds that are ketchup. Oh my god. There's ketchup inside of it. Oh my god. These taste like ketchup chips. Ow. Oh my god. They're not my favorite, but they're not like I don't like. They're in the middle. But I just ate them, so I can't put them. So they're in the middle. So that was the whole video. You guys, if you ever go to Italy, definitely get these. And those almonds are from Iran. Definitely go get those if you ever go. Don't get these at Thailand. Get these. Yes, get these. And get these. So, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.